Welcome to Copy and Paste Ads, where earning up to $300 a day or more is incredibly simple, all by posting ads. Our system takes care of 98% of the work for you, making it a complete done-for-you solution. All you have to do is copy and paste the pre-written ads provided in your back office. It's that easy. With our system, there's no need for selling, explaining, or bothering your family and friends. You won't even have to talk to anyone. You can do everything from the comfort of your home or anywhere with internet access. And rest assured, this is not about lotions, potions, pills, or anything like that. Here's how it works. You'll add your assigned website to the pre-written ads available in your back office. Just copy the ads and paste them in the high-volume sites we recommend. By posting your ads on these sites, they'll be exposed to thousands of people each month. Your ads will catch their attention, and they'll visit your assigned website just like you did, and just like I did. When your prospects visit the coded page, a video will inspire them to take action and send you $100. You'll receive $100 instantly via Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Crypto, or even PayPal. And Wise are options members can plug in. You can add any payment methods in your profile. Stripe is built in also with our member-to-member payment system. Remember, you won't have to sell or talk to your prospects. The copy and paste ad system handles all of that for you. You simply confirm your $100 payments you receive from our direct pay member-to-member platform in our members area. Simply copy and paste the ads, and your prospects will come to you automatically. But wait, it gets even better. We have a built-in reverse one-up compensation plan that pays you $100 on your direct referral's second sale. Here's an example. Let's say you personally bring in 10 direct sales. You'll earn $1,000, right? Now those 10 sales are coded to you, and their second sale also goes to you. That's an additional $1,000. Then, the next 10 people they bring in will owe you their second sale as well. And it continues like this, multiple times. You'll be earning $100 bills from everyone's second sale in your team. That's ultimate leverage and passive income. Wouldn't you agree? What's included in the copy and paste ad system? A persuasive video that does all the selling and talking for you. The same video page coded to you. A deluxe back office suite featuring built-in commission tracking software. Pre-written ads coded to you. A fully loaded resource center with over 100 free and paid places to post your ads. A funnel system with 25 different funnels available to promote. An autoresponder and 25 pre-written follow-up messages for your prospects. Built-in stat tracking software to monitor views of your ads and pages. Step-by-step instructional videos for quick setup. A support team for you and your referrals. Additional hands-free ad posting tools and services. Plus, free updates for life. So, all you need to do is post ads, and our system takes care of the rest. You'll have a fully automated cash-generating system working for you on autopilot 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. The copy and paste ad system is truly the easiest program you'll ever find online. By purchasing the resell rights, you gain access to this copy and paste ad system, which includes hosting of your funnels. This is by far the easiest program. By purchasing the copy and paste ads resell rights, you now have at your fingertips a very simple SaaS system, which stands for Software as a Service. This system will allow you to generate all the extra income you need by working just a few minutes a day posting ads. So, let's get you started. The complete system including resell rights has a true value of $2,250. But if you purchase right now during this limited time, you can purchase the complete copy and paste ad system for a very low one-time fee of $129. Yes, you heard me right, only $129, that's it, saving you over 90%. Click the Buy Now link below and get started right now. Remember, there is no selling and no talking to anyone. All you do is copy and paste ads, and the system does the rest. You get paid $100 instantly over and over again, straight to your Cash App, Venmo, Square, Stripe, Wise, Crypto, or even PayPal account. Go ahead and click the link below and get started today. Your $100 instant payments could start in less than 1 hour. Thank you for letting us help you make the income you deserve. Register today and make your 2 payments to get started. Once approved, you will have instant access to your members area and getting started instructions.